So if I had a teen who was an artist and I wanted to help them list build, this is something I would help them do absolutely for free. So I would go over to Canva. Canva doesn't cost anything. Um, and I would have them make postcards. Now they have all of these like little, you know, whatevers. But let's just say, all right, let's say this is a picture that they did, right? Done. Like that's it. I would have them make several. I think this might all be the same picture, but you get what I'm saying. Just add page, right? And I wouldn't worry about the backs. It doesn't matter. They can still send them as postcards. I think so, anyway. Because let's see. Yeah, as long as the stamp's on there, I guess it might have to say postcard on the back. Okay. So, all right, so this is the blank one. So let's put this on the back. Okay. So let's say front, back, and they just have to print them out. Okay. All right. Anyway, so then what I would do is I would have them go over to Google. All right. I have them go over to Google Drive and I would have them make a Google form. And I would title it, get your cards, right? And I just have one question, your name, make it required. Then go over here to responses. I mean, just kidding. Go over here to settings. And you're gonna have them go over here to responses. We want to collect emails, verified emails. Okay. And then we want to come down to presentation. All right. Then we will come back over here to the postcard, right? So go to share and where it says only you can access, anyone with the link, make sure you do this part. Can view, not edit, just view. All right. So there's a view only link. Copy. Then I come back over here. Come over to where it says, right. So presentation after submission, confirmation page. So what you want to say instead of just your response has been recorded, here are your postcards. Enjoy. Okay. It doesn't look pretty. It doesn't matter. Make sure they hit save or it won't work. Okay. Now here's what this would look like. So I'm going to send it to myself. Copy and I'm going to paste it. Right. So this can become kind of like a web page for them. Like, hey, you want to get some of my free stuff? Yes, I need my email. There's my name, submit. And this is what they're going to pull up. And then they can just click on it and they'll have their postcards and they can download them or screenshot them or whatever, or put them on their computer as a desktop. I would do the same thing with that too. Postcards, um, other things on Canva. You probably can do computer desktops. Yeah. So like they could put their art on something like this and just have a shareable link. And then they'll be collecting emails. And then they can start this building and it won't cost them anything.